My name is Renee, and I'm a Metrin user. I've been using Metrin for approximately 20 years now. My skin's been it's changed over the years. Of course, when I was younger, I had more oily skin. Now that I'm a bit older, it's a little bit drier. Well, early on, of course, before I started to use Metrin, I used a lot of different things, like a lot of girls around my age at the time were doing, trying just about everything that came out. You know, heavy astringents, things that dried your skin because you were worried about breakouts, played with a lot of masks and goops and creams and different things like that. When I first started using Metrin, it was nice. It was easy on my skin, cleaned really well. It was a 5-step program, so at first I thought, well, 5 steps. But the more I thought about it, really, I would spend more time in the bathroom trying out all these different things as opposed to just going to one system and doing it the same routinely every night. It was actually much easier for me. Oh, definitely, yeah. People ask me about my skin all the time. Most people don't know my real age, and they guess a lot. And sometimes I tell them, sometimes I don't. But good skincare really helps. Well, the benefits would be that it's just, I don't have to spend money anymore on things that don't work. That's a big benefit, when you want to save for other things and don't want a bunch of stuff taking up space on your counter when you could be. Oh yeah, I'll keep using it as long as they keep making it. Well, just that I would recommend Metrin to anybody, any age. I've used it for many years from many different situations with my skin. It's changed over the years and it still works for me. So I could pretty much recommend it to anybody who has skin.